crazy. Getting to see how my boots were made, so cool.
We kicked off the IronFlex project almost 3 years ago. The idea was, how could we build a boot that fits trade workers' feet better? We took 3 million foot scans, took that data, and then created a model, which we then used to create the boot.
After we got all that data, I had to start working with the last maker. Do you guys know what a last is? It's this thing. The last is the heart and soul of any shoe. It dictates both the fit, the shape, and the aesthetics. So we talked about the fit in the back, we talked about the volume, we talked about the shape in the toe.
Yeah, they felt good the moment I put them on.
It was like I had broke them in already.
Very comfortable, very sturdy.
When it came to building the boot, we wanted a durable, full grain, waterproof leather with a nice feel.
Stopped at this one because this is the timberjack leather that's going into the boot that we're talking about, right? It's been through the drying process. You can see it's been embossed, it has the print, and it's been oiled.
Like, we're on the episodes of how it's made right now.
Yeah.
Along with fit, safety was a top priority in developing and testing.
It has a composite toe for impact testing and compression testing. I'm just mark the toe and then cut it off.
Oh, that's cool.
It's slip resistant in both water and oily wet conditions. Red Wing has got the highest requirements.
Fit is not an exact science. It's all about the feeling that somebody has when they put on a boot. And that's really why we use these scans to help create a boot that you're gonna feel comfortable, secure, and stable in.
We really did develop it to be the best fitting shoe for everybody.
From foot scans to wear testing on job sites, the workers influenced every decision we made around IronFlex.